Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your right outside panel on your Beats Solo 4s. The right outside panel will either indicate because this side says left, so you know that's the right side, or on most headphones the right side is the side with the charger port. And you'll only need two tools for this today, prying tool and Phillips 2.0. And it's pretty quick and easy repair. Grab your prying tool, pop into here, and you'll just slowly pry this open with your prying tool. You gotta be very careful, you do not want to break these right here. Go down the side like this with your prying tool, nice and easy, not too much pressure. That pops open. As you can tell on this pair, these are already broken right here, which is not good, so you gotta be very careful when you pop these off. And now that you're here, all you need to do is unscrew this one screw with your Phillips 2.0. Once that's unscrewed, you pop that off. Make sure you do not lose that little metal piece. Throw that old panel away. Grab your new panel, and once you get your new panel, you want to place this back on. I don't know if you can tell right here, there's a little pin. That's where you want that end with the hole of your power button to go onto. And then there's another pin on the other side, just like that. So there's one pin, two pins. You want both of them to lay flat. Then you want to grab this. I'm only using tweezers because I have very big fingers and it's difficult to grab these. You want to place that like that. Grab the screw, Phillips 2.0, screw it down. Make sure it's flush so you don't ruin the power button. Press on it a couple times, you can feel it's working. Now to place it back on, you want to place top panel first. Then you want to place the inside panel on top and push it down here. Once it's secure and flush here, you go to the other side and then you just squeeze. Make sure it's all good, nothing's in the way. That means you did a good job if it makes the perfect noise. Then you squeeze this all down, just like that, and you have replaced your right outside panel. Congratulations. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.